Good morning. This is the concluding session of Pyplot, and I have only one new thing to discuss, that is about box plot, and afterwards I will assign some tasks that you will do within this time only, and at the end of this you will show the result, you will send the results you will prepare. So let us begin with. Now, if you remember, I discussed about two functions, two methods of data frame. One was the quantile, that was finding out the specific value according to the percent specified, according to the number you specify. And another was the describe function, that was showing almost all the quantiles: 100%, 75%, 50%, 25%, and of course the minimum means maximum 75, 50, and 25, and then the minimum. This you get by describe. So let us recall them all here. And today I have taken a big CSV file. In fact, the real data of the examination marks of the whole year for a particular class. Let us see that first. I have here class 8a.csv. I'm showing this in calc. No need to see exactly what the value is here on the screen, but only I want to show you the span of values. See, altogether here 66 students, and for that just keep the name of the student only. Some columns I am reducing. Yes, so name and class is remaining. Class is also not necessary. Let us remove it. So roll number, name, and then different examinations. So many marks are there. For all the students it is entered. Here for labeling, it is better to, that I will tell you later on. So I'm going to consider this table or this Excel sheet, this CSV file for further data analysis, and whatever the task also I will give you, that will be related to this. In fact, of course it is of the chart plotting, but for this only it will be considered. So let us come to recall about quantiles and describe. I am coming directly to Python. Let me zoom it. This is import pandas as pd. मान लिया df equal to pd.read csv. The name of this file is class08-a.csv. When you will print, this whole will come. And let me here add one more thing, that whatever the nan values are there, let us replace it by 0. So again I am doing this, df equal to pd dot read csv, then class 08-a.csv dot fill na 0. Whatever the nan values are available, just replace it by 0. If you will see df, you will find all non-entered values as 0. Now if I find quantile, simple quantile of this one, let us say एक कॉलम है FA101, मैं उसका मीनिंग बता दूंगा अभी. So this is df dot quantile. By default I am taking df dot this FA101 dot quantile. अभी क्या हुआ, 2 डॉट आ गया. See, it is giving 40. And at the same time df fa1 underscore 01 dot mean, then also it is coming 37.96. Now again I am showing you the describe, then I will explain everything together. df dot fa1 underscore 01 dot describe. Now see, in the describe you are observing mean is mean of values, then standard deviation. Now on these 4 you concentrate. Minimum 20, 25% 33, 50% 40, 75% 44, and maximum value is 49. This is coming. Now this part, whatever you are getting numerically using describe, excluding count, mean, and standard deviation. The rest of the 4 values like mean, 25%, 50%, 75, and max, they are visually or they are diagrammatically represented by box plot. So let us see how this is done. gedit. Now import matplotlib.pyplot as pp, import pandas as pd. Now df equal to pd dot read csv class 08-a dot csv. Whatever I wrote there, the same I am writing, and then fill in a 0. Now describe the figure object, specify the figure object. This is fg equal to pp dot figure, and axis object ax equal to fg dot add fg dot add underscore subplot 111. Now for what data I want to find the box plot? Let us say for FA 101. So the specification is very simple. You will write ax dot box plot क्या? तो for df fa1 underscore 01. That's it. This is the necessary argument. There are some other things also specified, but in the simplest form, you have simply to specify the column, the data with which you want to calculate. I have taken big data because when you have large number of collection, large number of items in the data set, then only it will be an observable result that from the set of bulk data you are extracting the meaningful information. So this is done, and save the figure. fg dot save fig, and let us say box I am writing png. Saving this, Control S. Suppose I am going to my home directory, document, then Python 12, and then suppose I am writing box plot.py. Saved, Control S, and then execute it. The name is box plot, come out of Python. Just keep these values here. या इसको plot कर लिया जाए. Before saving, let us plot this also. That is df dot describe, sorry, df fa1 underscore 01 dot describe, so that whatever the data is coming as the summary of information, it is coming on the screen also, and you can see the box accordingly, box plot accordingly. So I'm saving this and then executing this, coming out of Python, coming to the prompt, and then I'm writing Python 3 box plot.py. Why my data has not come? Print nahi diya. स्क्रिप्ट में तो प्रिंट देना जरूरी है ना, इंटरैक्टिव मोड थोड़े ना। कंट्रोल एस, देन Python box plot. See, this data is coming. I'm showing in zoom way, and then I will zoom out. When I executed this code, Python 3 boxplot.py, you are getting here all the description of FA11. Here see the total count of students 65, mean is 37.9, standard deviation mean this. Mean here, and this is minimum value. आप यहाँ पर देखेंगे ये FA101 है, इसमें आप देख लीजिए यहाँ से ऐसे 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 चलते 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 कहीं पर होगा ऐसे। चलो, now box is already plotted. Now we'll go to the file manager. Box.png is available. Box.png, you see. Starting from here, this is the minimum value. Minimum. Here the maximum 49. Here 75%. Here 25%, and here the mid value. You can see both of them together. As I told, from minimum to maximum, this is plotted. You can include more also together. If more than one box plots you need to include together, then you can specify that in the script, like box plot, give a list df fa101 and df fa102. In the form of a list it is given. In the list, two items are specified. One is df101, another is df102. Two items are specified. When you will keep it and you will save it, then you will find, let us execute it, box plot. This has been plotted, and when you will refresh its view, you will find two of such boxes. See, this is box 1, this is box 2. This its minimum value is from here, it is around 34, and here it is 25%. This is 50% quantile, and this is 75%, and this is maximum, touching the top. A little zoom I can do and can show you. See, the two are coming together. You can include more also. So box plot is this only. Now, this was the only thing I have to discuss, and then come to the task. read the CSV file class 08 underscore dash not underscore dash a dot CSV as a data frame and perform the and prepare the following charts. You can say that as a client, I'm requiring these things. This CSV file or Excel file I have, and thinking you as an expert, I am demanding these results. Now here information, something I want to give you. Different marks are of different subjects and different examination. This is an old file taken, like FA is standing for formative assessment, and essay is for summative assessment. 1, 2, 3, 4 here for different examination, 1 and 2 for examinations different. You know, earlier in CCE system, we had altogether 6 examinations, 4 summative and 4 formative and 2 summative. So here the marks, but here you have the marks in the table for this only. FA1, FA2 and SA1 for one term examination marks is available. Now subjects are also mentioned as number. So let us assume that 01 for English, 02 Hindi, 03 Sanskrit, 04 mathematics, 05 science, and 06 social studies. 07 if included, then computer science. Now suppose the column head is given as example FA2 underscore 3. This indicates FA2 marks of संस्कृत. ये इसका फॉर्मेट है. नाउ पहला चार्ट, prepare a histogram showing the information of English exam या हिंदी exam in FA2. Yani this is for all the students. On x-axis all the students you will consider, and then the bell graph you will get. Compare नहीं, show the छोड़ो हटाओ, show the performance show the performance of roll number 6 in Term 1 exam, comparing total of marks, comparing sum of marks obtained in FA1, FA2 and SA1 of all the subjects. And तीसरा, compare the, ये बार ग्राफ बनाना है, compare the result of question 2 with respect to the topper. चौथा, show a pie chart या make a pie chart showing marks distribution of roll number 15 in FA1 exam main subjects 1 से 6 तक. ये 4 टास्क है. आपको पहला और चौथा कमिंग हाफ एन आवर में बना करके हमको भेजना है, दिखाना है, बाकी आप बाद में करेंगे. I am sending this page that I have written along with the CSV file. and after that I will close the session, this visual session, but I'll be staying here up to 12:15. As soon as you prepare, you will ask, means you will send. And if you have any query, you can ask, you can give in written. Let me save this document first. Control E, document +2 Python 12. Today is 2504.jpg. By this I'm saving, and then I'm sending this document, coming to document Python 12. Then this is the question going to you. And then even box plot also I am sending to observe this. The rest other scripts I have already sent. And class 08 अरे CSV कहाँ गया? Here is CSV, open. So these two also I am sending. So the things are already sent. Question you observe. Help files or reference data is given. Box plot code also I have sent. For 5 minutes I'm staying visually online. If you have any query, you can write to your question, I will answer. Otherwise, this video session I will close. Question number 1 and 4 you have to do right now. At least you confirm that you will try and you will send. कौन मरने लगा है? Hello? Hello? So I was telling, at least you confirm bhai कि you will do and you will show me within half an hour. ऐसे चुप रहने से कैसे होगा? So everyone is doing? May I assume? Ankit, yes sir, I will try to do this. Of course, I want the trial only. Next day again, I'm not stopping the class. I will discuss these questions, or whatever the assignment questions earlier I gave. Some of them I will consider and I will discuss. No need to cancel the class. All of you will be here and we'll have a discussion and talk. Tell me one thing, this an opinion I'm taking from you. As I told earlier also, that I have almost 90-95% settings I have done in the school server to get it accessed at your home. Will it be more beneficial than Python Anywhere for you, or Python Anywhere is sufficient? If you will say that Yusra has said, yes, you will try to send in half an hour. Yes, of course. If it is done, no problem. Not done also, next day I will discuss. But I want that for the coming time, you apply your effort, your trial in solving this question. So I was telling that you think in your mind, if you think that school server is better than Python Anywhere, then I will go to school and I will request father to have the server on the whole day, but one person has to take care of all these things. So how that will be managed when I will go to school, then it will be finalized. But at least from your side, if there is affirmation that school server is better for you to work, then this I will keep in front of other, that students will find more suitable to work on a school server. So let us make some arrangement to keep it on throughout. So that an opinion I want from your side. Then only I will talk. Confirmation is not final, but there should be some ground to talk to father. So on that basis I can talk. So I'm winding up this video session, and I'm waiting for your trial or for your queries. Gungun has also told that she is trying. I always wait for the confirmation of Bushra, Yashasvi. अरे भाई ऐसे भी तो लिख दो कि हाँ हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं, संवेग जैन. करो भाई, थोड़ा कोशिश करो. So I'm closing this video session, but if you have any confusion, you will write and you will ask.